How to remove watermark from Filmora. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Filmora, and before exporting your video, you will be able to find the account option or the account button right beside export. The orange colored button, simply click on it and the account option will be opened up. On the left hand side options, you would be able to find refer friend option. Simply click on it. After that, just copy the link and paste the link on your browser where you have signed up using some other email. So just simply sign up on Filmora using your another ID. This way you would be able to refer yourself and this will give you points. You can redeem these referral points on Filmora in order to get the free trial, and after that you can simply export without watermarks on Filmora using that free trial. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.